Why are you doing your makeup right now? You did that so I would talk to you? Your whole face lit up. Let's talk about it. You thought something was on your face? What's your name? Really? Are you black? Just say no. The whole 23andMe. A Hispanic Samoan named Kiana. Is that your real name or is it like Kiana Ufalapalepe? You're the smallest Samoan I've ever met in my life. You be fighting like a big girl though, huh? You ever fought somebody and check your makeup? Shut up. Are you guys friends? Okay. Best friends or like, what's up? How long you been best friends? 40? Hey, congratulations. Girls don't make it that long. They got like a 2-year shelf life and they're like, that. How'd you guys meet 4 years ago? Mutual friends? You guys got energy. You know? Like you've kissed. You got drunk and kissed. You said no. She was like, real shit. Your girl was like, oh, one night. It was crazy. I did that. Rock, paper, scissors, scissors, scissors. Are you guys single? Okay. Are you guys good women? You're the last ones left. It's hard to find good women. Clap if you're a good woman. Look at all the lies and deceit. You know some of y'all ain't shit.